Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you some common stationery words in Malay. Let's begin. So, this is pen. In Malay, we also say pen. It is used for writing. Second, pencil. This is a pencil. In Malay, we say pencil. It can be erased if you make a mistake. This is an eraser. In Malay, it is called pemadam. You use it to erase pencil marks. This is a ruler. In Malay, we say pembaris. It helps you do straight lines. 5. Sharpener. Penajam pencil. This is a pencil sharpener. In Malay, we call it penajam pencil. It sharpens your pencil. Next, this is a notebook. In Malay, it is called buku nota. You write notes in it. Now you have learned some useful stationery words in Malay. Try using them next time you are in Malaysia. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and follow Ilmotion, so you get new video from Ilmotion. Thank you.